Yo, what's good, everybody? How we doing? It's good. What's good? ICT Pro Spaces, Maritimes, Faraz, Sordino, Guitar Guy, Adam, Trader's Nest, T for Keeps, George, Massive, Warriors Loves, Guitar Guy. What's going on? Alexander, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? How we doing? How was your trading day? Mine was pretty lackluster. I'm not gonna lie. It was it seemed like London. What's up, Kevin? It seemed like London had all the good price action or had the good movement. What's up, Sinister? And then RTH was just sideways. Just absolutely sideways. What's up, Sean? How are you? Zen, how you doing? I want to preface this live stream by, yes, we are doing another giveaway. You crushed it this morning? Oh, nice. Nice, Sinister. We are doing another giveaway tonight. Another Lucid account. I believe it's a 25K flex tonight. But we're going to be doing it a little bit differently tonight. We ran into an issue last night where a scammer claimed the prize before the real winner could catch it. And we accidentally gave away an account to the scammer. So to eliminate that, or hopefully eliminate that, here's what we're going to do. Good P-Longs? Yes. Yeah, I had to have been on your end. I don't know what was going on. Yeah, Adam, RTH was terrible. So, first and foremost, we obviously like to do things above board. So we did reach out to the actual winner and awarded them a free account. However, we have lost an account in the process. One of the giveaways that's intended for the community, the loyal followers, is now in the hands of a scammer. If you're planning on doing such a thing, serve this as a warning that the props there's somebody inside the props that are in almost every single live stream and in Discord. If caught, it could serve as, there could be greater consequences than just me catching you. So just be aware of that, and just play by the rules. We try to do this for you guys, you know. I don't get any free accounts if it makes you feel any better. So if you're out there and you're watching currently and you're doing stuff like that, don't ruin it for everybody. The person is known. I'm obviously not going to name any names on a live stream. That's irrelevant. The fact of the matter is that it happened. So just know that there are repercussions beyond just not being able to win the few giveaways that we do have on my live stream. Be aware that there's a chance that those could go away in its entirety for you, and possibly banishment from props altogether. So, yeah. Scooter dude caught one doing it this morning. Yeah, like, I think people think that everybody's just stupid, you know, like that we don't actually investigate these things and that we don't have verification. I mean, do people honestly think the real winner's not going to reach out? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, do they honestly think the winner's not just going to sit idly by and then not provide proof that it's actually them? So, just be aware that it is happening, and you will get caught. What's up, Ethereum? How are you? Rubber, it's yes. No, Bobby, they actually got away with the freebie. So we got fooled. We got fooled on me for not doing my due diligence in its entirety. But yes, we were fooled. So tonight for the giveaways. So yeah, we lost one of your guys' giveaway accounts, in other words. Honestly, they're stealing from the entire community, not just me. But they're stealing from the entire community, which isn't cool. But tonight, the way we're going to do it from here on out, the way we're going to... I know, it just sucks, you know. You try to do things nice and do everything above board and just be an overall good human being, right? And it gets taken advantage of over and over and over again. So, story of our lives, right? What's up, Chronos Charts? I apologize. For the mishap. Hopefully everything is taken care of at this point. But yeah, we're talking about it right now. Hey, there's the handsome man, Joel. If you guys don't know Joel yet, I saw Joel's face for the first time today. How are you doing, you handsome Brit? What's up, Phantom? But yes, know that we do have people on the inside of all these props. So if you are scamming, the chances of you getting caught are likely, and will be greater consequences, I'm sure, down the line at a certain point, if found out, and greater consequences than just being able to win a giveaway on my live stream. So yeah, I'm doing great, Joel. I'm doing great. So yeah, so the way we're going to do the giveaways now, going to be a little bit different. What we're going to do is we're going to run 3 separate marbles races. 3 separate marbles races throughout the evening, throughout the live stream. We're going to tape the top 3 finishers from each of those races, and they will be put in a grand finale marbles race, and the winner of that race will receive the giveaway. I know it seems long-winded, and I know it seems like a due process, but this is kind of the route that we have to go. In order to give us time to verify you are who you are, and to do it above board and fair and square. Is everybody okay with that? So what we're going to do is when we run the marbles races, we're going to have those top 3 finishers contact Mock, my editor. You're going to provide your information to him. He's going to verify via a screenshot of your YouTube channel / subscription account. Not any personal information or anything like that, but just verify you are who you are. And then your marble will be entered at the end of the evening for the giveaway race. And that's how we're going to do it from here on out. What's up, Edwin? How are you? How do you get into the race? You'll see when we do it. There will be a small window where you can register. Isn't my verifier overseas and always drunk though? No, I don't think he's always drunk. I don't think so. Another side note, guys. By the way, tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. There will be no live stream tomorrow night. Yeah, running on empty. We thought about just running races throughout the week and then gathering a pool for a grand finale at the end of the week. But that seems like a bit much. Like, what if people have stuff going on? You know, I don't want to do that. That seems like a lot of punishment, right? What about top 5? George, the reason we're keeping that number where it's at, because the verification process could take some time. And you go like top 5, top 10, all of a sudden we're getting lots of... Mason's going to be working really hard on his end, along with doing the races. So we're trying to keep it so that there's enough time in between the races for him to verify you are who you are. And like a lot of people don't have Discord, right? A lot of people have to do it through email, we've noticed. So, and we don't want to force people to have to join Discord in order to win the giveaway. So that's how we'll do it from here on out. And we will just, we'll see how it goes. And if we need to make minor tweaks to the system, we'll make minor tweaks to the system. That's a marathon, not a race. Yeah. I mean, Mason would be verifying and Marbles races like a madman. Oh, King Will. King Will, do we spam number? I'll be honest with you guys, okay? The spamming of the number is just strictly for chat engagement. It's just like a joke, right? It doesn't actually make your marble go faster. There's no control over the marble, really. It's strictly to get the chat engagement. Danny, you never know. You never know. You never know. You never know. I know it was rigged. I'm always DNF, Freddie says. I know. That's why we couldn't go last place to select it either, because there's a lot of DNFs. And then it's like, okay, which last place do we choose, right? So tonight we're going to give away a 25K Flex account. Joel, thanks for tuning in if you're still here, brother. Appreciate you. I'll be honest with you guys. I need price to at least come back to this 800 level before I get involved anywhere in this. So I'm going to be sitting on my hands here for a little bit. Just a simple reminder that price action this week could be a little crazy. I mentioned it in my trading plan this morning that it is OPEX week, quarterly OPEX week. It is FOMC week, and it is contract rollover week. So, a lot of veteran traders that I talk to take this week off. This is when they go on vacation. So my recommendation is to size down. Size down. This isn't the week that you want to be, putting a lot of risk on. A lot of times trading is about survival rather than making loads of money. So just be aware that price action as we progress throughout the week could be a little crazy. Kevin, if I choose 37th place, you have a chance? Move my contract to M, Trader's Nest? We're on the M contract. We're on the M contract here. Oh, you want a 25K daily in top one? Nice. Nice. Yeah, Adam. Like, look, I don't want anybody to be blowing through accounts, right? Like, I want you all to be making money. I want you all to be successful. But yeah, weeks like this, price action can be unpredictable, at more unpredictable than it already is a lot of times. So just size down, trade smart. You know, most of these props don't have a monthly rebill for a month. So yeah, Rotund, of course I do. Rotund, you're already successful, aren't you? You're already successful. So yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do. In fact, while we only have, well, we got about 100 people in the stream right now. So, Mason, if you want to get that first race going, so that we can give these early attendees the best opportunity to win, let's go ahead and do that first race. We'll get those top 3 finishers, and then we can verify your information and everything. Guys, exclamation point marbles will enter you into this race. Once again, top 3 finishers will be contacting mock-level up in the chat, and you guys will be in contact. You will need to provide him information and verify that you are who you say you are. So exclamation point marbles, go ahead and get that going. We'll leave that open for a few minutes for you guys, and we'll get this race going. I'll be right back. Guys, I don't know how the weather's been where you guys are, but I swear it was like 80 degrees here not even 24 hours ago. And now it's snowing outside. Absolutely ridiculous. It has been banana sandwich. Weather is 75 today, OC. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. It is cold here. I hope everybody heard my speech at the beginning of the stream. That's the thing that I'm scared of, is making changes to the structure of the giveaways without everybody in the stream. But I want you guys to have the best opportunity. All right, guys, 30 seconds. We're going to close that entry window, that registration window, and then we'll run that race. Like I said, top 3 finishers will be put in the grand finale after they verify their information with my editor, Mason. So that is a requirement. If you don't, we will go with the next place finisher, I guess. All right, Mason, go ahead and shut down that registration window. All right, guys. We're going to give Mason a few minutes here, and then we'll get that marbles race going for you. Oh, my goodness. NQ is just stuck. KYC and YouTube. Yeah, Rally, like, we had somebody scam one of the giveaways last night. So, like, we have to do things a little bit different now, unfortunately. We got to do things a little bit different. They were able to fool me into claiming the giveaway. Then the actual winner reached out and said they had not received their giveaway and proved they were who they were. And so, in other words, we lost a giveaway account last night. Yeah, Rotund, this is exactly right. This is exactly what goes on during my streams. That's why I'm glad we have marbles races to break the monotony, right? I mean, what's everything else doing right now? Is gold moving around? Gold just had a pump. All right. It looks like Mason is ready, guys. I know. It's crazy. Just know that if you are scamming like that and you do get found out, there might be served bigger consequences than just being blocked and banned by me and and being called out on it. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Here we go. All right. You'll see, MP. Mason's going to coordinate the verification. This is how we'll have to do it for the meantime. So once again, top 3 finishers will win entry into the grand finale that will happen at the end of the stream. Good luck, everybody. Mason, whenever you are ready, feel free to launch the marbles. And we're off. Down the chute and up the conveyor belt we go. Let's see who comes out with the early lead. Jostling for position early. All right, we got a couple marbles. Oh, we got a couple marbles that are stuck. All right, Sean out to the early lead. Oh. El blah blah blah. It jumps out to the early lead now. Brady in second. Kronos in second now. I don't even. I'm scared to say that name over and over. Can't pronounce it. Allah blah lua. Is that how you pronounce it? Definitely got some distance, creating some separation from the rest of the field. Moody Rome in second, Kronos in third. The Trading Triangle in fourth, Brady dropping to fifth. We all know what happens here at the end of the race, though, guys. Things get interesting. Oh, no. Oh, no. Off the track. Moody Rome jumps into first. Brady in first now. Kronos. Anthony coming down the home stretch. We got a Phantom Marble. We got a Phantom Marble in the lead right now. Don't worry about that marble in the lead. Oh, AER Peachy. Can people get through? Titan takes over the lead. We're coming down the home stretch here, guys. Oh, there goes Spaces. There goes Spaces. Getting absolutely yeeted off the track. Oh, Titan taking over. Anthony. Oh, man. People are getting diced up. Flying off the track. Cyber Candlesticks. Only a short distance to go. Titan Ticks in second. Profits in third. Once again, guys, just top 3. Just top 3. So we got Cyber Candlesticks, Titan Ticks. Who's going to be that lucky third? Oh, Freddie. Freddie comes launching to claim the third place. Oh, that was so close. So close. All right, everybody else on the track. So, Cyber Candlesticks, Titan Ticks, and Freddy, Mock-Level Up will be contacting you in the chat. You will need to coordinate and verify you are who you say you are. Congratulations. If not, if one of those fails the verification, Fast Trader, you would be next up. Fast Trader 5 would be next up. Your marble's overweight. You got to grease up the marbles beforehand. You got to grease them up. All right, so Cyber Candlesticks. Yeah, Moody Rome, you got yeeted. You got absolutely yeeted, I think. P-Long. So we're doing it different now. If you're just tuning in, we're doing the races different now. We have top 3 finishers are going to be put in the grand finale. We're going to do 3 races throughout the night. So the top 3 finishers from each of those races will be put in that grand finale for the opportunity to win that account. So there will be 2 more opportunities for all of you to possibly get in that top 3 or top 9, I guess it would be, for the final race. So everybody will have more opportunities. That's not the end of it. If there is a duplicate, you top 3 that are in the race already, obviously we aren't going to give you duplicate entries into that final race. That would be very difficult to do. You're more than welcome to race, but if you finish in the top 3, we will be awarding it to 4th, 5th, so on and so forth. So everybody will still have an opportunity to get in. Cyber Candlesticks, Titan Ticks, and Freddy are going to be the ones who are already into the grand finale. Thanks, Adam. Yeah, guys, smash that thumbs up button if you could, please. I'd appreciate it. Yes, there will still be 2 more opportunities to enter into the race. So it'll be marbles races all night, which is actually looking like a good thing right now with the way this market's just chopping back and forth. So congratulations, guys. So let me know, how did you guys end up trading today? I ended up with $500 today, I think was my final total. Deuces, you rather be studying? Oh no. Just get it over? I mean, you can go study. All right, let's look at the DOM here and see what's going on. Looks like we have all sorts of interest on the ES DOM down to the downside. The NQ DOM is fairly split with interest just above 25K here, but we do have some blocks to the downside down in through the 700s and 600s. Marbles is distracting. It's like gambling. Now, the marbles races are fun, I think. I think they're fun. I like them. It's a unique way to do it. Yeah, Silent Edge, I know. I mentioned it earlier. Like, this is not the week to be blowing accounts. Size down. You just get some random, even though the market's unpredictable as is at times, it's even more so during this week. And especially with FOMC on Wednesday as well. It's just not the got greedy, made a mistake, small red day. Oh, that's not bad. At least you kept it to a minimum, Kevin. You didn't blow it all up. But yeah, I mean, if we go sideways for the next hour or so, it could be a quick live stream tonight. Yeah, Spaces, I'm not interested in this. Price is going to have to at least test 800 for me. Test this area before I would even think about it, really. It's a lot of downside support off that pivot. But I'm going to need at least this grab down here before I could even look at a long position. The short position is from up here. So I'm not even looking to get involved in this. Andrew, no, giveaway hasn't happened yet. Giveaway hasn't happened yet. We're doing the giveaways different tonight. So there's going to be 2 more races. Top 3 finishers from both those races will be put into the grand finale, of which there will be 9 marbles in the grand finale. So there will still be opportunity. Trevolin, I look at other things. There's not a lot going on, though. Like, I don't trade the metals. And CL's just been another beast right now. So, I'm most comfortable on the NAS, and I'm okay with not taking a trade. I know everybody else likes to always be in a trade and likes to look at, 20 different symbols for a trade. Anytime I've tried to do that, I've been highly unsuccessful doing it. That's when I give the market my tuition. So I'll just wait for my price. And then execute. Oh, cheers, Paolo. And if nothing happens, what's up, Haffy? How are ya? I know, Julian. I kind of want it to sweep below that 820. I kind of want it down into that close to 800 at least. For you ES traders, it's kind of a similar story right now. I've started marking those charts up for you guys, just so you can see where I would put levels at on ES if you guys are trading ES. But those are there now. When I get it finished, I'll go over those levels with you and why I have them where I do. No, Profits, top 3. Top 3 from each. Top 3 from each race. Going too many finishers is going to make Mason's job incredibly difficult. Incredibly difficult during the live stream. So we're just going to go top 3. And we'll see how it works. We might make tweaks in the future. Do I know anyone that's a good XAU USD? So gold USD pairs? I'm not sure, Trivelin. I'm not sure. I know people trade gold live. I've seen people trade GC live. But I haven't seen anybody trade the pairs live personally. There might be. But I haven't seen anybody do it. We need one wild card. Keep chat interested. The chat will be interested. We're gonna run other races. Man, Deuces, if you're that bored, I mean, tough look for the brand here. Oh, this is brutal. Sitting right at yesterday's open. You volunteer as tribute for the wild card, for the wild card entry. Freddie, you don't have to. Freddie, you don't have to enter. I mean, if you want to have a marble in there for fun, it's fine, but you won't be able to have like a second entry into the giveaway. There would be no way for us to do it. Do you see what I'm saying? There would be no way for us to put a second marble in there for you. Yeah, T for keeps. Everybody always wants something. Everybody always wants to tweak it in their favor somehow. The fact of the matter is, no matter how I do it, there's going to be somebody that wants it done differently. $5 super chat gets extra entry. No, I'm not going to do that. $5 super chat gets extra entry. Jeez. Can I get a bigger marble? You know what? I'm going to have to actually look into the game. I wonder if there's ways to like customize the marbles. I'm going to have to do a deeper dive. Yeah, Freddie, that was crazy. That was crazy. That's what I'm saying, Deuces. I wonder if there's way to increase odds. Yeah, Kevin. I haven't really done a deep dive into the game itself. No, Andrew. You don't have to. But it gets chat engagement up, Andrew. It helps the channel out. That's why people do it. It doesn't make your marble go faster. Man, got a tough crowd tonight. got a tough crowd tonight. Super chats give a marble boost. No. No, they don't give it a boost. Once the marbles are released, guys, there's nothing we can do. Like, it's out of our hands. I know everybody's got a mood on tonight. It's spicy in the chat this evening. Yeah, sovereignty. I have to do something differently. You're not winning. Don't worry, neither am I, sovereignty. I'm not winning either. The claws are coming out. I know the chat's spicy. Normally my chat is not like that. Throwing curveballs at me tonight. Well, Andrew, honestly, Andrew, I expect that from. Andrew and I have known each other for a while. So, Andrew, I expect that from. I'll be honest with you. You'll come shovel my driveway for an extra entry. Profits, you're waiting for the 5th place call. Yeah, I don't know if... I'm pretty sure everybody verified. I'm 100% positive. But I'm pretty sure everybody verified. Hey, what's up, SSJ? How are ya? What's up, Kavan? I wouldn't be looking for a long entry myself until price either traveled that back down towards 24,800 on the M contract if you haven't rolled, or if you've rolled 24,800. Yeah, hop on over to the horizontal feed for sure. A lot better viewing experience. All right, looks like everybody is verified. So top 3 finishers are all verified. You guys will be in the grand finale. The only thing that has me leaning short side right now was this at the end of the day. This little wick up and immediate retracement back down. So I'm kind of leaning towards shorts right now. Is what I'm thinking. Let me take a look. I mean, we kind of channeled up, but we did finally break that trend line. So we'll see what happens. This is nasty. Probably back into point of control up here first, and then maybe we get that downside. I would honestly like to see this level get traded again. So I'm leaning towards shorts right now. NVIDIA pump and dump. Oh, Adam. So you'll have to reach out to Mock at Level Up in Mock-Level Up in the YouTube chat, and then just send a screenshot of your YouTube channel is what you'll end up having to do. You don't got to do it right now, but if you finish in the top 3, you'll have to do that. For those of you that are just tuning in, we got scammed out of one of the giveaways last night on stream. They got caught. They did get the giveaway account, so we lost one of the giveaway accounts, unfortunately. But we're gonna have to do things a little bit differently this time. So we're just trying to make things above board and fair for everybody. Leaning towards a skirt right now, not shorts. Yeah, SSJ, even with the marbles. It happened. They got caught. They've been banned. There's no way that I can guarantee that they won't create a new account and try to get back in. But we're going to go through a verification process from this point forward. I'm just be aware that most of the props have people in the streams, in the Discord, people on the inside that can do things. So you don't risk just losing the account. You could possibly risk losing your ability to trade with the props. So yeah. Hello, scammers in chat. How are you doing tonight? No, SSJ, you're good right now. If you finish in the top 3 in one of the marbles races tonight, we'll reach out. We'll be in contact, and we'll get you verified. And honestly, once you verify once, if you win again, you won't have to verify next time. We'll know that you've verified. But until we can get this under control, the botting and the scamming under control, this is what we'll have to do. Because it sucks, right? Like, basically stole an account from you guys as well, not just me. You know, because we give away all our free accounts, so I don't keep any of them. Mason doesn't keep any of them. We give them all away. So, it's a shame. But yes, if we figure it out, we will relay the information to the props, and you probably will be caught. Oh, see, Tory Trades got asked on a podcast, why do they call it the futures market? And she couldn't answer. I guess technically, as long as you can do a little bit of technical analysis, you don't really have to know what you're doing. But yeah, if you're selling a mentorship or a course or something like that, that's probably something you should know. Running on empty. I mean, obviously, those of you that I know already, that won't have to happen, right? Like, running on empty, you're all good. But if we don't recognize the name, and we haven't communicated with you privately, we'll have to run that verification. Yeah, Adam, 100%. 100%. All right, kind of rejecting yesterday's value area high there. I'm seeing point of control still up a little bit higher. Hey, what's up, Worldwide? How are ya? Yeah, running on empty. Obviously, if we know who you are, like, and we've had those private communications and discussions and stuff like that, we're not gonna we're not gonna make that happen. We're gonna ease as much of the workload as we possibly could, or as we possibly can. But yeah, it's just a shame. Just a shame. You know, you try to do nice things for people, and yeah, Chad, that's kind of where we went. Like, there are people on the inside of almost all the props within the Discord, probably watching the live streams as well. So there's a good chance that you would get caught. Good chance that you will get caught. You were looking at an AQ chart, not the future. Oh, that's funny. S-Dub, nice call out. You got a nice little 10-point rejection there, 15-point rejection there from your call out. So the scalpers move is there. That's one thing I wish I was better at, guys, was better with that, those tight range scalping moves. Because I know a lot of people are really good at catching those 10 to 15 point bursts. I'm not. I like price to be at my levels, which are always higher time frame. So sometimes when we're in these little ranges, I really struggle. So I just don't execute. I just hands off. I know that's not my forte, so I just don't trade it. The wicks is the problem, though. Yeah, like this right now, this is not, to me, this, I don't have any edge in this. Does that make sense? Like, for me, it would just be a coin flip, more or less. I would just be getting into a position to get into a position. Yeah, J-Love, the key level today was up there, 940. That was my read. Shorts below, longs above. Kind of had some nastiness. So I guess if you caught the short from 920, this was going to be my short entry. I didn't trade it that well today. I did not trade it that well today. Yeah, Cash, you can see up here in the upper left, I'm sure it's blurry on your end, but I'm on the M contract now, just to avoid any confusion. Volume, I'm not sure what volume's at. In fact, let me check real quick and see what CME Group is saying. Those of you on Tradeovate have a market analyzer that will give you the volume traded on each contract, and you can compare. Let's see if CME Group updated their open interest. No, they haven't. CME Group hasn't updated their open interest yet, it looks like. So they're still on Friday the 13th. So if any of you have Tradeovate, you can open up that market analyzer and just put both symbols in there and see which volume is higher. Worldwide gold, I'm just not a metals trader. I know you can make good money, but you can also lose a lot of money really quick. And because I haven't really watched gold a whole lot, I'm not that comfortable trading it. I don't know how it likes to move. I think I would have to sit down and actually watch it for like a couple weeks so I can get a feel of how it likes to move. I mean, I can look at a higher time frame chart and say, hey, this is probably where I would execute from, or where I would look to get a read on in the market from. Oh, you're all good. Blacked out. You're all good. What's up, He-Man? How are you? Yeah, I don't just want to flip over to a chart and assume that it's going to move the same as like the indexes do, right? Because obviously gold doesn't, right? It doesn't move the same as the indexes do. So I think I would have to watch it and study it for a couple weeks before I felt comfortable executing on it. You're convinced gold hates all of us. You think we're going to get a bullish day on gold? Is that what you're saying? Let me get off a 1 minute chart on gold here. Let's go to like a 30-minute. Yeah, a little retracement on gold would make some sense. I mean, obviously, you've got a level up here at, psych level 5,200 up to like 5210, but that's a ways away. I think a retest of these downside wicks would make a lot of sense. That we haven't really actually retested 5,057 since the sell-off, so that would make a lot of sense to me. Before another leg down if we're going to sell off. So back up into here. Somewhere in here. So tell me this, before the gold run that happened over the last, months, did you guys trade gold prior to that when gold wasn't moving really? Or is it just recently that everybody started trading metals? Because of the volatility. You did trade it worldwide? See, that's what I'm curious of. Because right now what I see is people that haven't been trading the metals, all of a sudden there's all that volatility in metals, and there can be a lot of money made. But a lot of those people didn't trade it before. And I have a hard time listening to their analysis. Does that make sense? Because it's like, all right, you hopped on a freight train that's just been up only for a long time. Because every time that I've looked at the metals in the past, and don't get me wrong, it was years ago, but prior to it launching over the last few months or having the bull run that they have, every time I looked at it, it looked like relatively sideways and slow to me. Chad, you've traded gold and oil previously. Yeah, I've never traded CL either. I've stuck to the U.S. indexes as far as my day trading in futures is concerned. It's always been the U.S. indexes for me. All right, that's where I'm most comfortable. If it ain't broke, don't fix it kind of thing, right? Oh, yes. This is a typical West stream, guys. If you're new to my channel, this is what happens when I go live. The market decides, hey, we're just going to kind of slowly move around, sit right in the middle of Wes's levels where he wants to execute from, and we're just not going to trade. Yeah, we're what I mean, I'm sure, don't get me wrong, I'm sure you're making money over there, right? Like, I'm sure this has been a good move. But I don't know how much weight to put in higher time frame, because to me this looks sideways, right? But this is actually a lot of dollars if you're trading minis or even micros, really. But to me, I would be waiting for a break outside of this range is what it looks like to me. Or playing longs from the bottom, shorts from the top. Shinobi shorts 24,942. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that at all. I wouldn't mind that at all. Just one of these two areas. What's up, Trader 007? How are you? All right, guys, we're going to do race 2 here shortly. So get ready. Once again, it is going to be the top 3 finishers that get put into the grand finale. It looks like it's looking like, unless we get a move here, I'm probably not going to catch a trade this evening on stream, which is fine, right? Like, it's okay. It's going to happen. Mason has started marbles, so exclamation point marbles, guys, will enter you into the race. Go ahead and get your entries in. Once again, bots, you will have to verify, so might as well as not even enter. Guys, go ahead. I'm going to turn the fan on real quick. Exclamation point marbles. Ah, see, I step away and you get a little movement. Maybe that's the key. Maybe I just need to not be looking at the charts. Maybe I just need to step away and you guys will get all the market movement that you want. Once again, guys, top 3 finishers will be put in the grand finale that we'll do at the end of the stream. This is how we have to do it to avoid scammers. So I apologize. Marbles are fun anyway. It'll provide some entertainment while I'm waiting. Nice sell-off there off of the 80s. Is there any tell here, really? Not really, except for a sweep of the double top here. Man, guys, I am ready for spring. I just can't believe that it was like 80 degrees 2 days ago, and now it's snowing outside. It's ridiculous. All right, nice little sell here. Nice little sell. I realize it's Asia Open, so I'm not sure what to think of it yet. Blackout network. Apparently, it's a lot of the country right now. We had some severe thunderstorms come through last night. In fact, I got woken up by tornado sirens at like close to midnight last night. So it was windy. It was windy. 70-mile-per-hour gusts. All right, guys, 30 seconds, and we're going to close that entry window. So exclamation point marbles to get into the marbles race. And we're going to run that race for you. Get 3 more winners for the grand finale. I like how the Asia Open just sweeps the entire up move and then stalls. Like, at least come down here. At least push down here. At least push below. You know, what is this? R1 pivot? Is that what that is? Or no, that's the 15-minute opening range. Geez, we were inside the 15-minute opening range for that long. My goodness. You got central pivot down here at 8:05. All right, Mason, go ahead and close those marbles. All right, guys, entries are closed for the marbles race. We got almost 160 people in here. Guys, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. I'd appreciate it. Give Mason a few minutes to get everything all set up, get rid of duplicates and all that. Come on. Come on, NQ, down in here. Lino, we can't open it back up. It has to be for a certain time. Last night we got scammed. So unfortunately there has to be strict rules, strict time limits on it these days. Prod Cash, at this point, yeah, I'm waiting to see price get down towards 800. If you were able to catch that, you know, the 880 sell-off, that's a good short entry to hold, I think, at this point. You know, you're relatively safe, probably back up to point of control at 870. And worth giving that risk back to see if you can get that flush towards 800. But, man, I'm going to need it to run. I'm going to need it to break these lows to get a good read. All right, guys. It looks like Mason is about ready. Let me get the race up for you. And we will do this thing. All right. All right, good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. That's a lot of marbles. Mason, whenever you're ready, go right ahead. All right, we're off. We are off. Once again, guys, top 3 finishers will move on to the grand finale that we'll do at the end of the stream. We'll have one more qualifying run. So stick around if you don't finish in the top 3 in this one, just in case. All right, Deuces out to the early lead. Tebow overtaking the lead. Man, Profits and Principles, you've been up there. You've been up there. You've been up near that top of the leaderboard often. The good thing is I recognize all these names, guys, so it looks like we might be in the clear on this race. All right, Deuces. Deuces holding on by a slim margin right now. Edwin following up in second. Miss K in third. Tebow in fourth. Chris in fifth. Son of Wall Street in sixth. Once again, all you got to be in is in that top 3. Got to be in the top 3. Deuces with some speed. Hit a little block. Looks like he's got the Phantom Marble in front of him. Deuces. Oh, Deuces has a giant lead. Just don't fall off the track, Deuces. That's all you got to do. Just stay on the track. Just stay on the track. And don't get too hung up here. Got down the chute relatively quick. Okay, down the home stretch. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Getting extremely hung up. Everybody getting hung up. All right, Deuces in first. Hila in second. Fast Trader in third. Congratulations to the top 3. You are on to the grand finale. Once again, Mock-Level Up will be verifying in the chat. He will ask for some information from you. Unfortunately, this is the way we got to do it, guys. Scout Million, obviously, you will be next up. If one of those top 3 can't verify, it looks like all 3 will be able to verify. But congratulations, guys. Once again, those 3 are entered into the grand finale and the race at the end of the stream for the chance at the 25K Lucid Flex account. Congratulations, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Pickle's getting launched. Launched into the stratosphere. See, Deuces? You spammed yeet. Did it work? Were you yeeting everybody else? Oh, see, you think I should let the last marble too? I've said it earlier. I can't. I can't let the last marble because there's so many did not finish, right? Then you have the argument from all the DNFs that were like, well, I finished last. Well, I finished last. I did not finish. So we can't do it that way, right? All right. Nice race, guys. Nice race. All right. Once again, Wild Deuces, Hila, and Fast Trader 5. Mock-Level Up will be communicating in the chat, coordinating the verification process with you. Congratulations, guys. There will be one more qualifying race. There will be one more qualifying race. Golly, why did NQ have to go right back to the middle? Your marble got thrown like 50th place to first. Yeah, that's true, OC. It happens. It happens, guys. You can go from last to first in these things really quickly. Really quickly. We have seen marbles skip the whole second half of the track and land right in the finish line right before the first place and second place people finish the race. So it can happen. I assure you. Yeah, S-Dub, that was a nice call out. That was a nice call out. That was the chip shot. Yeah, guys, there will be one more qualifying race. I promise. In fact, the way this market's looking right now to me, it might be sooner rather than later. It might be sooner rather than later. So stick around. There will be another race. And then there will be the grand finale for the prize. Yeah, polish the marbles. Polish the marbles. Get that grease out. Oh, this is gross. This is gross, guys. Now POC flipped down here to the 50s. It was up top. Who's in the other race? Whoever enters Mr. Games Paradise. So we've got 6 people, assuming these last 3 all verify. We've got 6 people currently. The grand finale will be between 9 entrants. So there will be one more qualifying race, and then the main event. Big fan of the marbles races, guys. Eventually, we will find other maps too, so it's not the same map every time. That one's just easily visible, and we've done it before. So there's 2 that we've done. 2 different maps that have worked. There was one that did not work. You'll email Hila. Okay. Mason, do you see that in the chat? All right, SSJ, enjoy your night. Take care. A winter version, Marzena? I'm not sure. I haven't done the map exploration a whole lot. I'll have to look at it tomorrow. I'll have to look at it tomorrow because tomorrow's St. Paddy's Day, guys. I won't be live tomorrow night, just to give you a heads up. So be safe out there, obviously. If you're planning on going out for the evening. Golly, this is a typical West Stream price action here. Some nights we get it good. S-Dub called out the best move of the night. For sure. I don't know that I would have been able to take that short from there, though. It's looking like it might be one of these nights, guys. yeah, T for keeps. It's not even worth. To me, this isn't even worth trading, to be fair. Like, if I wasn't on a live stream, I wouldn't even have the charts open. I would have walked away. Yeah, blacked out. Like, hey, a lot of places do it big. I remember when I lived in Charleston, we would go down to Savannah, and they would paint the river green down in Savannah. I know Chicago does something similar with their rivers. Yeah, St. Paddy's Day is a big ordeal. Big ordeal. Really all around the world. I can only imagine living in the UK. I can only imagine. Good way to go on tilt trading this. Yeah, I wouldn't, because you just never know when it's actually going to snap, right? And you don't know which way it's going to snap. I would assume it snaps down before we go up. Right? We definitely have a lot more downside pressure right now. But I need to see 24,800, really. Or at least below these lows. Like somewhere between 800 and 820, I would love to see. Yeah, Kyle, I'm with you. I'm with you. Kyle, by the way, I haven't forgotten. Just been extremely busy. I'm sorry, brother. I will DM you. I promise. What's up, Jeff? How are ya? Kill zone plus time. Yeah, Horizon trades. Yeah, it's not looking great. I know people are saying that gold's moving around. I mean, this is a 30-minute chart on gold over here on the right-hand side. It's looking pretty sideways to me. We look like we're tightening in the range, and that could snap either way as well. So it's just like, what do we trade? I'm sure it's a scalper's paradise, but that's just not my forte. That's how I lose lots of money. Lenny, what was the news for this gap? Honestly, nothing. I don't think there was any news today. I think it's just, you know, OPEX, quarterly OPEX, FOMC coming up on Wednesday, rollover week. Like I said, a lot of veteran traders take rollover week completely off, guys. They just don't even open the charts, and then they come back the following week, and that's when they take their vacations and stuff like that. No winner of next marbles race gets a ride in my Lambo. Don't have a Lambo. That's undetermined yet. It's O'Keys. So, like, what I'll be watching for as price comes down into here, I'll be watching the DOM surface. Right? I'll be watching this, and I'll be looking for aggressive sellers like this to either make multiple attempts at pushing through this level and being unsuccessful, and then price holding back above 800 for a long, back into the middle of the range. Or I'll be looking for the aggressive sellers to actually get below this level and do something similar to... What is going on? My little marker is not working right now. I was going to draw it on there for you, but I'll be looking for price to either to break down, retest, and then hold below 800 at that point. For the short down into 700, 715 area, 710. So that's what I would be looking for. But until price trades down into that 800 area, I'm just not interested in it, because you're going to get a lot of this, right? ES sold off at top from 5-day point of control. Yeah, ES is coming in. Like, honestly, this will line up with what I have ES support-wise. Like 67, like 35-ish would be the top of my support zone there on ES. So that's kind of why I want to see price come down here too. So they're roughly in coordination. They're in sync right now. Nvidia now sees at least 1 trillion in high confidence AI infrastructure demand through 2027. Yeah, good old Jensen. Whenever Jensen comes out and says something, you always get some movement. Kyle. Oh, come on. Really? Are you kidding me? Kyle just sent me this, guys. Kyle just sent me that. Oh, goodness. Hilarious. Chompy, you saw it? I know. Ridiculous. No, I don't own a Lambo. I don't own a Lambo. Kyle's apparently good with the Photoshop. Rice, you see it too? Oh, man. Ridiculous. Those Jeeps look different now. Definitely AI because it's a Bugatti. Yeah, I honestly wouldn't know. That's how not... I'm not a car guy. So that's how... That shows you my knowledge on everything. I don't know if that's a Lambo or a Ferrari or a Bugatti or any of that. I have no idea. That's the only reason, Kyle, that's the only reason you have a Chat GPT subscription. Oh, that's funny. Lenny, you're selling your car collection? What you got in the garage, Lenny? What you got? Guys, for reference, I drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee IRL. I don't own a sports car. Jeff, yeah. I know. Look at what you did, Jeff. Look at what you did. All right, come on down, NQ. Give us an entry here. See, the thing is, on the Dom, this seems like a logical move. I just don't know how far we're going to retrace. Like I said, that 700 level is... There is some blocks sitting down there, too. That's kind of why I want to see price get in here to see if we can reclaim. Like, put in a little sweep, a reclaim, and hold back above for the long back up. But it's hard for me to tell. Sold a Z32. A G83 comp. And a 2008 S2000. Oh, nice. And you're over here with a clapped out CRV. Oh, goodness. So what? Are we just going to do a sweep above, a sweep below, and come right back to the middle? Like, is that what we're doing here? 4 kids, they're expensive with college. Yeah, Lenny. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. College is not cheap. Like, even if they're going to community college these days, it's not cheap. No, Paul, I don't trade oil. Diana, what's my outlook for the week? So this week's going to be a little different. Just to give you a heads up. Quarterly OPEX, FOMC on Wednesday, rollover, all those things combined can make price be a little unpredictable throughout this week. So this is the week of any week where I would actually be risk off and try to just read price action around key levels. Paul, why? Just because I've never traded it. I don't know how it likes to move. Like I said, any symbol that I'm not comfortable with, that I don't know a lot about, I'm not going to just get on it and wing it. I'm not going to do that. Surefire way I'll lose money, right? If I watched it for a few weeks and watch how it liked to move, watch where some key levels were, and where it would like to trade, but then I might be okay with it. But with the volatility right now, I don't know if right now is the right time to be doing that. I'll let all you guys have your trendy volatility fun. Those of you that know how to trade it. I'll stick to what I know. Wes will Venmo 50K to the next winner. What? Jeff, don't start that. Don't start that. People will take you serious, Jeff, when you start stuff like that. Oh, come on, Naz. You were so close to being right there. Like, get on down here. Yeah, times change. It's getting... Sometimes you get some good price action, but this isn't it. Can it be Zelle so no fees? Oh gosh, guys, this is not it for me. Did ES hit that level? Oh, ES did kind of hit that real close. Do I bet all the corners on roulette? No, Rotund, but my first move is to the roulette table. It's red or black. Give me the 50-50. Give me the double up quick. Yeah, this is brutal. This is absolutely brutal price action. There's nothing for me to do. It's nowhere near an area of interest for me. It is absolutely nowhere near an area of interest for me. Sitting right on... I mean, I guess if you wanted to play the 15-minute opening range from New York session short, you've technically got a break and retest from here. Down into 800, you might be able to get 30, 35 points. But you're going to have to risk to at least probably above 850. Oh, nice times change. Yeah, you did better than me today. You definitely did better than me today. Paul, we're on a 5-minute chart. We're on a 5-minute chart. No, Paul, scalping's not my forte. I mean, technically, as day traders, we're all scalpers for the most part, right? But I guess people would probably classify me as more of a intraday swing trader. You know, I'm waiting for price to get to higher time frame key levels, and then I can make a read. So I'm not somebody who puts on 50 trades a day. Been there, done that in the past, and just got chopped. End up giving back lots of profits. You make more trades than the Kansas City Royals. Oh, no. No, I definitely, I can't remember. I'll be honest with you guys. I cannot remember the last time I took 20 trades in a day. I can't remember the last time I took 20 trades in a day. I remember there was one day a couple weeks ago where I had taken like 15, and that felt like a lock. I don't know how you guys stay that locked in. How do you stay locked in for that long a period of time to find 50 trades, you know? Don't get me wrong. I've seen some successful people do it. Like my buddy Brian. He can scalp with the best of them. I can't do it. I can't do it. That guy can place like 50 trades and not even bat an eye. And he makes good money. 100 minimum, Scott? 100 trades minimum? Oh, goodness. I wish. I wish. 50 trades in under a minute? Okay, that's absurd. Nice little rip here. Right back to the middle. Scott doesn't have any hair. Made over 2,500 today? With 100 trades? Yeah, that's a level of locked in that I don't have. I don't have. Trading is a break from programming AI for you, OC? Losing hair, yes. I wish I had that level of locked in. Some people can do it. I can't. And AI programming is a break from getting bit by dogs. Oh, man. Why couldn't you just go a little bit lower, NQ? Just a little bit lower. Yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, if I could sit down and only take 3 trades throughout the week and make really good money, I would do that. To be fair, I would literally, if I could open the charts and go, yeah, today's not it. If I was that good, That's what I would do. You know, go click the button, be in the trade for 3-4 hours for a day. Both actually. Times change. Both. Say the truth. Tradeify I don't trade with right now. Lucid and my funded futures, I do. And my personal broker is with Edge Clear. The personal account I use more for major swing positions. Oh, nice, OC. You went long at 323 last night? Yeah, the overnight session last night was great for you guys that did. Especially if you traded through London session and all that. It wasn't until New York opened up today where things just kind of went sideways. Kyle, I see you messing with Andrew in the Discord right now. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, times change. They're really, really fast. They're extremely fast. Lucid and my funded futures have been the quickest payouts that I've gotten from any prop, as far as from time of request to time funds hit the account. Both are really quick. Both are under a minute generally. Long since 19,000 cash. No, I don't have any open positions on mine. The last I took a trade, what was it, 2 weeks ago? I took a trade 2 weeks ago on my personal. And then before that, it was like a long from I don't know, 22,800 that I got out at 23,500 on NQ. Oh, nice, J Love. Yeah, I'm glad you're finding value in those trading plans, brother. I'm glad you're finding value in that. Nah, S-Dub, I gave you your props earlier. You must have left. I gave you your props for sure. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and run that third qualifying race while I'm waiting on Price to get here to 800. Mason, go ahead and open up the marbles entries. Guys, once again, top 3 finishers will qualify for the grand finale race. Exclamation point marbles. Once Mason gets it up and started, we'll enter you into the giveaway. Let's see if he gets it started. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, entries are open. We're going to leave that open for 3 minutes. Exclamation point marbles to get in the race. Once again, we are giving away a 25K flex account with Lucid tonight. While the chat is flying around, I'll let you guys do that. I will be right back. All right, looks like we're trying to get down to that 800 level now. No music, huh? All right, well, I'll get some music going. Has there been no music this whole stream, guys? I think there's been no music this entire stream. That's funny. All right, I think we're good. Smash the like button if you were a Chiefs fan. Oh, goodness. Combine Kingpin. Is that the name of a song or is that a game? Glassage cleaning. Is there a way to talk to me? Yeah, you can DM me on Discord. I go by the same name on Discord, just no spaces. Capital W, capital E. You can definitely DM me. Prop firm rap song you made, OC? Okay, all right. I'll take a look at it at some point, for sure. All right, guys, 30 seconds and we're going to close that entry window. Oh, come on, NQ. Don't you dare turn around right here. Come on down to 800. Toilet Lions. I know, Lenny. The Lions are... So I'm a Detroit Pro Sports fan all the way around. Yeah, it's a life of misery. All right. We're going to close that registration window in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Mason, go ahead and close the entry window. Go Bears, Lenny. We're going to give Mason a few minutes to get that all set up, obviously, once again. From Chicago. I used to live north of Chicago, Lenny. But, yeah. I mean, you're welcome for Ben Johnson. You're welcome for that. Still can't beat the Lions, though. Still can't beat the Lions, though. Lions still got Chicago's number. Acrylic assassin. Yeah, Chicago's it's a great city, right? Like, there's been a lot going on there, turmoil-wise. Like a lot of crazy stuff happening downtown Chicago, or on the streets. But I enjoyed my time there. It's just expensive to live there. Like, taxes are absurd in Illinois, guys. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, they got a nice train system, for sure. Public transportation is top tier in Chicago. All right. Let's see. Is he ready? It looks like Mason is ready. All right, let's get this marbles race over here on the screen. And get this going here. All right. Guys, good luck. Once again, top 3 finishers will be put into the grand finale. We will do the grand finale shortly. Top 3 finishers after you guys verify you are who you say you are. Obviously, reach out to Mason in the chat. Mock-level up is Mason, my editor. So, good luck, everybody. Looks like we're on this crazy map again. Hopefully, you don't get yeeted off the course. Good luck. All right, and we're off. P-Long out to the early lead. Followed by Swardino and Doobie-Doo seem to be jostling for second and third right now. Coming to the first speed boost. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Got hung up. Adam K taking out the early lead now. Amit. There's a lot of jostling going on in this one. I need to wait to start saying names. I'll be talking constantly during this race. Yeah, S-Dub, I mean, we've got over 180 people just in the horizontal stream. So I'd imagine we're over 200 on the entrance for this one. Oh, Pretty Boy getting through clean. Pretty Boy absolutely hitting on all cylinders right now. Don't get yeeted, Pretty Boy. Okay, survived. Pretty Boy still in the lead. That's just a Phantom Marble in front of you. That's just a Phantom Marble in front of you. Just got to stay on the track. Just have to stay on the track. Pretty Boy's got a massive lead right now. I don't even see another marble. Can he get through? Can he get through? Pretty Boy, Lee, Auto Theos. Top three right now. Coming down the home stretch. Don't get yeeted. All right. Pretty Boy BC looks like first place is yours. Lee coming down. Oh, it's going to be tight for second and third here. Bobby Diggs in second. And Diana. Diana is third place. You top three finishers, congratulations. Price Thread came in fourth. Malglahar in fifth. Unmarked in sixth. Son of Wall Street seventh. Adam in eighth. Profits and Principles ninth. Raul 10th. Oh, everybody getting yeeted. Everybody's getting launched. Congratulations. You top three finishers. Mock-level up will reach out to you in the chat. In the live chat. You didn't see Pretty Boy typing one in the chat, Miss Sensen? Yeah, we'll have to verify that. Price Thread, stick around. Obviously, Maglahar, stick around. Because if we don't have... Obviously, Bobby Diggs and Diana, you two do not have to verify. We know you're real. Pretty Boy BC, do me a favor. Do me a favor. And message at or tag mock-level up in the chat for me. Or Mason, go ahead and tag him. The other two are okay. He said one didn't do anything. It's for chat engagement, Pretty Boy. It's for chat engagement. It helps out the YouTube channel. It does do something, guys. I mean, it helps the channel out. But no, it doesn't accelerate your marble. It's just a joke. But if you want to help the channel out, spamming the chat does help. It's okay. It's okay. But no, it does. Chat engagement is one of those YouTube metrics that really help your channel. So that's why we do it. What do you mean it doesn't make me faster? Oh, crack me up. Another DNF. All the DNFs. Everybody that got yeeted from the track. All right, guys. We're going to let Mason get everything all set up there. And then we'll go ahead and do the grand finale here. Still waiting on price to trade down into this 800 level. It's just taking its time, man. So so we'll go ahead and do that grand finale once we get everything all set up here. Mason, if you could just DM me after you get everything all ready to go, and we'll go ahead and do that grand finale. And 9 of you lucky contestants will get an opportunity to win the 25K. Yeah, Massive, we'll see. I got to see 800 get traded first. On the short side, what I would be looking for is that break down to 780, retest 800 for the short entry. I mean, the last thing I want to do is get short right now and have this snap back up to here, right? What's up, Kirigu? How are you? Like I said, once Mason gets everything all verified, gets the race all set up, we'll do that. We'll do that grand finale race for you guys. And we'll get the 25K flex account sorted. Later, Kyle. Gotta get up at 4. Oh my goodness. No, thank you. I mean, I wake up pretty early, as is. What if oil went to 200 tonight, Rotund? What are we talking about here? 200? No shot. No shot. Still below 100. All right, so we are finally tapping central pivot here at 805. Let's see if we can flush that 800 level and come back up towards 800 and see if we hold below. I'll even say a hold below 805 would be decent. Man, I might be in this trade all night now, though. That's the only problem. It's also a 4-hour gap. Every good just doubles in price. Could you imagine? We wake up tomorrow. Everything's just double what it was when we went to bed. What's up, Benzema? How are you? All right, guys. It looks like everybody's verified. We're getting it set up right now for you. Little bounce off of central pivot there, about 10 points. And once again, this will be the last race of the evening, and this will be for the 25K flex account. 9 entries. So it's a wide open race. A 50% decrease in oil supply. Yeah, see, that's crazy. Oh, Mr. Games Paradise. Yeah, we just ran the race. We just ran the last. Well, we got one more race to go, but all the entrants have already been in. Don't worry. There will be others. I assure you. There will be more opportunities. Yep, this one decides it all, guys. This one decides it all. Nine people. All right, it's Mason saying he's ready. Let's go ahead and get this grand finale stream up. Let's get the race going. Looks like the course is all set. All right, guys, this will be the most wide open race that we've done. So good luck to the 9 of you that are in this race. Mason, whenever you're ready, go right ahead. Oh, it looks like we're going OG map here. Looks like we're going OG map here. Good luck, guys. This is the highest odds any of you have had to win an account just yet. So, here we go. Here we go. And we all know anything can happen. Anything can happen. This one could be interesting. This one could be heartbreaking for some of you. It could be absolutely heartbreaking. All right, Deuce is out to the early lead. We have a Phantom Marble on the track. Phantom Marble on the track. Diana taking over first. Freddie zooming through all the obstacles here, all the blocks. Gets a little hung up there. Diana in close second. Pretty Boy in third. Pretty Boy and Deuces battling it out as we hit the launch pad. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't count yourself out if you're near the bottom. Don't count yourself out if you're near the bottom. We all know what can happen. You can get yeeted at any point in time. Freddie in first. Diana in second. Wild Deuce is in third at about the halfway mark here. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Diana closing the gap. Deuces is closing the gap too. Pretty Boy is right in it. All right, we got a good race going on here, guys. Got a good race. It looks like nobody's in the center track. Tight race here between the top places. This is where we could get some congestion as well. How clean can everybody get through this portion of the track? How clean can everybody get through this portion of the track? Oh, Diana pushes her way through. Diana getting through extremely clean. Can she hang on? Can she hang on? Titan Tick's getting absolutely yeeted. Oh no, Titan Ticks and Freddy are off the track. Diana coming through the last obstacles right now. How clean. Oh, getting extremely slowed up here. But so is everybody else. This looks like it's Diana's to lose here. Diana, you are the winner of the 25K Flex account. Winner of the 25K. Oh my goodness. Cyber Candlesticks. And lands on the track. And absolutely lands back on the track. Unbelievable. Well, congratulations, Diana. You are the winner of the 25K Flex account. Unbelievable. Diana, do me a favor and message mock-level up, and we will get you all squared away with that account. Congratulations. Oh, my goodness. Bobby. This might be the longest on the track I've seen somebody. Oh, man. Unbelievable. That was hilarious. Oh, that was fun, guys. Oh, come on. Come on, Naz. Don't do that. Congrats, Diana, once again. Glass Age, I got you. I'll message you after the stream, okay? I got you. Oh, guys. I'm probably going to call it there. I'm just going to not take a trade tonight. What I would be looking for, though, is that I'd be looking for either a sweep below 800 for price to either reclaim and then move back up into the middle of the range, back up here towards 850, 860, or I'd be looking for the snap down, the retest, and the move back into 700. That would be ideal, to tell you the truth. I would want the downside more than I would want the upside right now. You know, retrace this pump. That would make a lot of sense to me. So I would rather see the move down to here, the bounce back up, and the hold below 800 for the short down into 700. That's going to be my read for the night. Once again, guys, I will not be live tomorrow evening. It is St. Paddy's Day. If you're celebrating St. Paddy's Day, be safe out there. Be safe trading this week as well. Like I said, it's OPEX week. We got FOMC, rollover. Price can do some crazy things. Be aware of the news headlines, obviously, with oil moving around the way that it is. Good luck the rest of the evening, guys. I will see you all on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Peace.